All right, folks, let's dive into the AI dilemma, friend or foe. We've all seen the movies, right? Robots taking over the world, AI turning against humans. But let's cut through the Hollywood drama and get to the real deal. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's in your pocket, helping you navigate through traffic. It's in your home, turning on lights with just a voice command. And it's even helping doctors diagnose diseases faster than ever before. But with great power comes great responsibility. So, is AI dangerous, or is it the best friend humanity never knew it needed? Let's start with the good stuff. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries. Think about self-driving cars. They could drastically reduce traffic accidents, saving countless lives. Or AI in healthcare, where algorithms can analyze medical data far faster than humans, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. And what about AI in climate science? It's helping us model and predict climate change with unprecedented accuracy. So in many ways, AI is like a superhero in our modern world. But there's always a flip side. One of the biggest concerns is the loss of jobs. Automation driven by AI could displace millions of workers. And then there's the ethical conundrum. Who's to blame if an AI makes a mistake? You also have to consider privacy issues. AI systems collect massive amounts of data, and not all of it is handled responsibly. Plus, there's the fear of AI becoming too intelligent for its own good. Remember the infamous AI chatbot that started making its own decisions? Creepy, right? So, what's the verdict? The truth is, AI is neither inherently good nor bad. It's a tool, and like any tool, it depends on how we use it. It's up to us to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a way that benefits everyone. Regulation, ethical guidelines, and transparency are key. In the end, AI is what we make of it. It has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest problems, but it also carries risks that we need to manage carefully. The future of AI is still being written, and we all have a role to play in shaping it. So next time you ask your smart assistant for the weather, remember you're part of a much bigger story. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our world. Until next time, stay curious.